mag-miss. Start na po tayo, start na po. Mag-miss na po tayo, mag-miss.
Hindi kasi ano eh, hirap din yan, wala din mga 2 years na.
Wala nga nyo yung nakita ko dito maabot ng 10.
Oo, diba? Pero kaya ko naman. Pero sige, start ko po.
Okay, 12 minutes. That's a white shirt. Pinasa 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 really handling the ball. Pinasa ulit. No good. Deflected by. Binigay kay white shirt. White shirt to the left side. No good. Hawak ni white shirt. Binigay kay Joel. Joel handling the ball. Joel. Pinasa sa gitna. Kay number 7. Binigay black shirt. For 3. No good. Binigay kay number 7. 2 points by number 7. 2-0. White shirt. Sa gitna. Binigay kay black sleeveless. Binigay kay Lionel. Nasa gilid. Okay. Perimeter. White shirt. Gitna. Grabe yung pasahan naman yun. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Joel. Joel binigay kay number 7 to number 6. Number 6 on the left side. No good. Rebound by Lionel. Dribbling the ball pagkitna. Number 23. 4-3. No good. Hawak na. White shirt. White shirt. Sa gitna. White shirt. Binigay sa ilalim. Number 6. No good. On rebound. Kick out sa labas. Number 7 to white shirt. Side step. Tira. Binigay kay Joel. Side step ulit. Binigay sa gitna. 2 points. No good. Rebound by Lionel. Binigay kay white shirt. White shirt handling the ball. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23. Binigay kay white shirt. Binigay kay yellow. 4-3. No good. Pinasa kay number 6. Number 6. Maararo. Side step. Kitaliwa. Paso. Hit the left. Finish. Reverse. Number 23. Binigay sa gitna kay white shirt. Binigay kay Sando na block. Kay Sando gang. Number 23. 4-3. No good again. Pero on rebound. 4-3 again. No good. Rebound by Jello. Jello pinaka sa white shirt. 4-3. No good. On rebound. 2 points. 4-2 ang score. Ano, manual scoring po muna tayo. Manual scoring. Score po 4-2. 8 minutes and 56 seconds left. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 7. Side step. 2 points. No good. Fast break. White shirt. Kaliwa. No good. Hawak ni Murphy. Deflected. Lionel. Deflect again. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23. Pinasok. Dinalik ulit kay Lionel. Lionel. Pinasa kay white shirt. White shirt. Binigay kay Sando again. No good. Rebound by Merwin. Binigay kay number 6. Number 6. 3-on-1. Pull up. No good. rebound. Binigay kay Black Shirt. Binigay kay number 6. Binigay kay Joel. Lahat nasa baba. Merwin, 4-2 score. Oy, what a steal. White Shirt, binigay kay number 23. Grabe pasahan. All four ang score. 7 minutes and 40 seconds left. All four. Joel on the left side. Dalawang defenders. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Sandogan. Making number 23. 2 points. Lamang na po ng dalawa. Ang Team Prime Time. Deflected. Hawak ni number 23. Number 23, pinalik kay Lionel. 23 for 3. 3 points by number 23. Lima na po ang kalamangan ng Team Primetime versus AA Dads, meaning Antipolo Assumption Dads. On the low post, Joel, mid-range, no good. Rebound by number 6. Rebound by number 23. Binigay kay naka-white shirt. Sando, 4-3. Binalik kay number 23. No good. Rebound by number 6. Fast break. Speed move. No good. 4-9 na score. 6 minutes. Lionel. No good. Binigay kay Joel. Loose ball. Recovered. Tinira. Paso. 2 points by Joel. 6-9 ang score. 6 minutes left. 6 minutes po. Number 23 handling the ball. Pinasa kay Lionel. Binigay sa 3. Number 23 for 3. No good. Rebound by Joel. Number 6 on the fast break. Binigay kay Murray. Inside step. No good. Rebound by number 23. Binigay kay Lionel. Lionel. No good. Rebound by Joel. Joel handling the ball. Mid-range, pasok! Back-to-back 2 points by Joel. 8-9, isa lang po ang kalamangan. 8-9. Lamang po ang prime time. White shirt. White shirt. The bus driver, pero no good. Number 7, rebound the ball. Binigay kay Joel. Joel binigay kay number 6. Extra pass to number 7. No good. Black Sando on the left side. Binigay kay white shirt. Floater. Oh, same rebound. Binigay kay number 23. Binalik. Go 3. No good. Same possession. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 6 handling the ball. Binigay kay number 7. Oh, rebound by number 6. 2 points. Lamang na po ang isa ang Team AA Dads. So po ang kalamangan. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. 4 minutes and 20 seconds left. Binigay kay Jello. Jello on the side. No good. Joel, hawak yung bola. Binigay kay number 6. Number 6, mag-isa. No good. Binigay kay number 23. Good ball. Number 23 for 3. No good. Rebound by Jello. No good. Binigay kay Merwin. Merwin handling the ball. Binigay kay Joel. Joel dribbling the ball. 10-9 po ang score. Lamang po ang AA Dads. Side step. Fast break. Easy 2 by white shirt. Change favor. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left. Change favor. Lawan po ng isa ang Team Primetime. Makakapag-hurt pa ng 2 points ang Team AA Dads. Joel nilagay. No good. Rebound by number 23. Number 23 binigay kay Sando. Malapit na mag-out of bounds pero change possession. Joel sidestep. 2 points. No good. Foul. Again, 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. 10-11 ang score. Lamang po ng isa ang Team Primetime. Number 6 handling the ball. Number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound by Sandogang. Okay. Bigay si number 23. Number 23 bigay kay White shirt. Rebound by number 6. Out ni Joel. Joel, easy to 2 points. Change favor. Lamang po ng isa ang Team AA.
Ito dito.
12-11 score. 1 minute and 40 seconds left. 1 minute and 4 3. 3-4 by Sandogan. 12-14. 2 points ang kalamangan ng Team Primetime.
3 points ata yan. Yan, galing sa 11.
White shirt handling the ball. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. 4-3 again. No good. Pass take to number 6. 2-on-1. 4-3. No good.
Yung kwata tol.
White shirt.
Hindi, wala. 12 minutes lang din. Alam mo.
Number 23. 4-3. Team rebound. No good. 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Dalawa lang po ang kalamangan. Team AA Dads. Dalawa na lang po. Ang kailangan na bullet. 40 seconds. No good. Number 23. No good. No. Makahabol pa kaya? 14. Dalawa po ang kalamangan. 2 points. Lumuha po ng 4 ng kalamangan. 16-12. Joel. What a nice steal. 18 seconds left. Santo for 3. No good. 12-16. 4 ang kalamangan. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamayan po tayo guys. Kamayan po tayo.